Okay guys, well, I have to excuse the noise in the background. We're doing some welding here on location at the moment, but I wanted to get these videos done. Here we've got mud system, and we'll go ahead and do a quick walk around. You can see here, this is a Mission Magnum 1 pump powered by electric motor. And I can get the details of that. We'll have that uploaded on our site. Another electric motor here, as well as another Mission pump. Got your electrical system here in the back. We'll do a quick walk around, and then we'll go topside. I just opened these valves here in the back. There was a little bit of water standing there. Wanted to get rid of that so we didn't have any water standing in the unit for any length of time. All right, and let's go ahead and go up top. Okay, so see if we can get a little bit better view of it from here. You can see what's going on. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Better from this angle, but we've got a, there you go. All right, there's our motor top side. Okay, now this unit is one compartment, however with minimum modifications you could change that if need be. And here's your second unit. And there's your weight down there. Okay. That water out of there. That's what we're doing right now. All right, well, there you have it. If you have any questions or you have any interest, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.